Hello, my friends. Well, by this pile of paint here, you might guess what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick another set of colors by random. I'm having my eyes closed, and then I'm going to do a straight pour with them. Now, these are the little tubes of paint I got from the Grabie company. I'm going to link their store and a coupon code to save 15% off their already very reasonable prices, and they sell a lot of things besides art supplies. It's a fun place to visit, so you might want to check that out. So I think I'm going to go with, did I already say? I think I'm going to pick 10 colors. And let me see what I said. I don't remember. Okay, I guess I didn't say the number previously, so I will go with 10. And I'm going to do a straight pour. All right, here's my pile of paint, and here we go. I'm going to close my eyes, set them aside, and I won't look at any of them until I have selected all 10, so you will be the first to see. Here we go. Eyes are closed, and number 1. Number 2. Number 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Oh, the suspense. 8. 9 and 10. Okay, let's see what I got. Ah, it doesn't look too bad. Let's see, what's it? Raw Sienna. Mid-yellow. Neon pink. Oh boy, you know my eyes were closed if I picked that. Violet. Titanium white. Cobalt blue, phthalo blue, hooker's green, emerald green, and vermilion. Wow, that's kind of fun. All right, did I pick the 4, 8, 10? Yeah. All right, let me get these mixed up, get my canvas ready, and I shall return. Okay, I've returned. Boy, that was a lot of mixing. Now, one of the colors was a raw sienna. And while that's a beautiful earthy color, it just looked funny with these other ones. So I took the liberty of adding a bit of it to the white and created this tan color. So it's kind of a neutral, and decided to place it between the blues. I felt it was least offensive there. So I'm going to fill 2 cups and do 2 kind of straight pours on this round canvas. And let's see, I think I'll only get 1 layer of each color in each cup, so let's see. I'll put 1 layer in here, going from the pink to the violet, and then I'll reverse the order, go from violet to pink in the other cup. And here we go. Try to put half of that in there. Vermilion. We're having another very windy day here. Medium yellow. This surprised me. This one's called Emerald Green, and it's much lighter than I thought it would be. That wasn't half, a little more. It's called Hooker's Green. I assume it's named after the person who created it, not anything else. Oh, I can't remember what this was. It's very pretty though. And now the questionable tan color. I believe this is Phthalo blue. And violet. Okay, set that aside. And I never use this many colors in a pour. I really like to limit my palette to probably no more than 4 or 5, sometimes 6. But that's what makes it fun, a challenge. I cannot pour that whole thing in there. Sorry, but I used it. It's a nice earthy color, but I sure didn't want that next to that tan. It would look like camouflage. Very pretty yellow. Vermillion. Add more in this cup. And hot pink. Okay. Okay. So, very colorful. I'm using paper cups so I can make a little spout out of it. And here we go. Do probably kind of a traveling ring pour kind of thing. Okay. And now this one. Now, where should I start with it? I really like this effect. And I'm not sure, maybe that's when I kind of jiggle it rather than circular. And I also like that, I don't know. I don't want, this is going to be the same mixture as that. I don't want to start, I think I'll start over here. Work my way around. This is way crazy looking. Okay. Okay. Wow. I don't know where to begin. Here we go. Just kind of slowly reach the edges and then decide composition. Kind of liking it. Okay. All right, let me set it down and size it up. It's kind of fun. I'm not sure what to do. If I should, there's a lot of paint on the surface. I'm a little concerned about having too much on there. I like it. I have to do something though. I just feel I need to stretch it out a little bit more. I'm seeing one area I like a lot that I would like to, I can sacrifice some of this hot pink here. Okay, I'm going to just come back this way, and I think I may be done. Oh, I've got an issue here with this hot pink. I'm going to have to... There we go. I just keep going, but I'm seeing areas that need changing, and I just fear there was too much paint on there, so I have to keep pouring some of it off. Wow. That is wild. I'm going to stop there. I'm not doing any skewering, any ribbons, any nothing, because there's plenty going on there. take a peek, closer peek. I like this. I like that center area there. Love the green next to the purple. That's fun. Look at those loopy. That loopy area, that's fun. And the hot pink against near the purple is very dimensional looking. I like it. Well, there we go. A 10 color random pick. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.